So this is my first video that I've made since I've come back from Pakistan. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try vlogging or making videos a lot more than before. So today is gonna be about my car. I'm just gonna go to fuel up and then I will park up and I'll show you my car. This location's a bit shit, but most of my locations were taken. Like, I was wondering to, well, I was thinking of going to the park, but the park was taken and it was busy for some reason. It shouldn't have been. This is my car. It's a 2018 plate, SEAT Ibiza FR. It's outstanding, man. This car is beautiful. It's 1 litre, it's 115 brake horsepower. It's got everything, man. It's got a pan roof, it's got upgraded air conditioning, it's got reverse cameras, full parking sensors, upgraded wheels, got everything, man. This car looks like a monster. It's got the, I don't know if you can see, it's got SEAT lighting in there. I didn't get the LED lights. I forgot about those options. Like the car itself, like the color, the mystery blue color, is, I love it. So instead, like 2 days ago, which today is the 26th, on the 24th I got these xenons in. Right, so we're gonna go inside because it's raining now and my camera's not got no cover, so it's gonna get wet and I don't want to get any damaged. But yeah, car is 115 brake horsepower. It is a 1 litre and it is rapid. It's good on fuel. But while I've had it, my car's been drinking a lot, so yeah. But other than that, this car is amazing. Like, while I was away in Pakistan, my dad had this car and he had it for 5 weeks and he goes like, the car it runs amazingly, it's smooth, and it's very comfortable to drive, and it's got a very rapid response. So yeah, it's a DSG. It's got a pan roof. Pan roof is sick. I've got upgraded heaters on it, so I'll give you a tour around inside the car. Okay, so we've got upgraded air conditioner. We've got the charging dock, wireless charging dock. We've got a keyless start, obviously DSG. We've got a pan roof. We've got SEAT surround system. It sounds sick. We've got the SEAT lighting. We've got xenons in. I've ordered wind deflectors in, so they should be coming soon. So when I do get them, I'll make a video on that. Today I am going to be going to Leeds and I'm getting my sensor res delete done. I saw a video on their Instagram page. What they call custom exhaust from Leeds. I think that's what they're called. Let me double check. They are called Prestige Exhaust Leeds. That's what they're called. Prestige Exhaust Leeds, and they had a video. I was following for some time. This is the sound. That sounds sick. Like, as soon as I saw that, I was like, you know what, I'm getting that done. I always wanted to get it done. I wanted to get like a custom exhaust, like something like a Scorpion or a Miltech or a Rega exhaust or something like that. So that's the main thing that I wanted to do, but they cost a bomb. Just little small working steps. So I'm gonna get a sensor res delete. Sounds sick, as it sounds amazing as it is anyway, so it sounds really good. I've got a Rega back diffuser that's going to be coming, the back bumper. I've got the front splitters that's going to come, side skirts. I've got fiber lights that are going to be going on, so I'll show you now. So fiber lights are here. So basically what I've got under here, under these, I've got red LED fiber lights under these. These come standard with these cars, so I bought fiber lights that match with those lights that are going to be going across here. So I'm going to try sticking them in. So that's what I'm going to try doing. I've got loads of little projects that I'm going to do with this car as well, so yeah, stay tuned. So right now I am going to be going off to eat with my friend. I'm just waiting for him to get ready. He takes a piss. And then I am going to be going to Leeds, getting the custom exhaust done. Then I'm going to be heading off to cinemas to watch Frozen 2. But yeah, right, okay, so I'll see you soon, and yeah. Right, so it's up on the ramp, so it's going to be about 15-20 minutes. See how it goes. Right, so he's took the middle bit out. He's gonna get a straight pipe. The sensor res is deleted, so he's just sorting it out now, and then that's it. See how the car sounds. Right, I am so gassed. Like, I don't know if you saw the video of, if you got me on Snapchat, you'd know what I'm talking about. Right, so as soon as I, you know, showed the takeoff when my exhaust got done, I didn't record after that. I got busy, so as soon as my exhaust got done, I got out of there, and then we went to get something to eat. Was stuck in traffic and came home quite late, so I just come back it's been about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I had to just go pick someone up and then drop them off, and then yeah, just come back right now. Oh what, yo, it sounds sick. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a small video anyway, so it's not something that's like quite long. I just wanted to show you what I was gonna get done anyway. So I got the back box removed and the res delete. Yeah, res delete. Now I'm gonna be editing this video right now, and then hopefully this will be up, I don't know, probably in a week's time maybe, I don't know. We'll be uploading, I'll be recording stuff like the back bumper removed. I'm gonna get a new back bumper, side skirts, front bumper, a spoiler, wind deflectors, that's one of them. And yeah, also I'm getting quite a few stuff done. I'm gonna get starlight headliners. If you don't know what they are, then here's a picture. I'm gonna be getting that done, and then I will also be getting done these sweeping headlights. I don't know if you've seen them. They'll be on like on Audis and Golf R's, you know. So I'm doing it on a budget. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. And you've got kids in the background screaming. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and see you later.